All right, welcome to Mountain Crypto. I'm your host, Shane. Today, we are going to look at the price updates. We're going to look at the charts. We're going to look at some pretty cool news. We've got new wallets to look at. We'll look at altcoin season a little bit. We will look at just a lot. So stay tuned. Let's get into it right away. Bitcoin, we know, hit a new high, recent high, not all time high, 69,000. We've gone down a little bit over the 24-hour, about 1.8%. Ethereum's only dropped about 0.7%. So here's the numbers in the top 10. Bitcoin right now, $67,242. Ethereum, good solid $2,670. Of course, those are the top two contenders. We got Solana, XRP just kind of flatlining really. We've got Dogecoin and Tron in the top 10. The next top 20, we got Toncoin, Cardano, Avalanche, Shiba Inu, Wealth, Chainlink, Bitcoin Cash, and Polkadot has raced to spot number 20, and that has pushed Sui down to 25, one that I kind of like to watch, Uniswap at 23, and Near Protocol at 22. Some others that I've been watching. Unfortunately, those are all down. When we look at our total market cap, it's just going sideways. So we're at 2,437,000,000. I think that's right about what it was yesterday, maybe up a tiny bit. Feed and Greer, or boy, Fear and Greed. Feed, I must be hungry. Fear and Greed is looking neutral, and according to this one on the, I don't know what side of the screen it would be for you. I guess it would be the left side of the screen. But I'm looking at the other Fear and Greed daily values, and it puts it up around 73%, which is kind of high. So, yeah, I'm surprised. I'm surprised it's so high on this side and so low on this side. I'll have to look into that. Maybe I'm going to get a different Fear and Greed. This one is from Bit Degree. The block time chain calendar, there it is. You can see I like to talk about the Satoshis per US dollar. You're only going to get 1,483 Satoshis for $1. Stack those stats. The liquidity, again, pinching in about the same, not much change there. Bitcoin stock to flow. You can see we're going sideways. We started to have a jump there in Bitcoin price. Altcoin season. Okay, so still looking like we're at the time where you can, at 29% here, that means that there's still opportunities out there for the investor. But how long that will last, we don't know. Price prediction. Now, this is a 5-day prediction based on past history, different measurements, the 20-day and the 200-day moving average. The 1 month is at 91,000, but even conservative people are saying 70,000 is possible any day now, and 80,000 for the 1 month. So those are some other ones. We'll talk about that too. Here at the ITC newsletter edition at the Cryptoverse, there's some good updates here. Bitcoin reaching its 67 to 68 range high, actually 69K high, is because of these possible moving factors that influence Bitcoin's price. Could be, again, this is not investment advice, it's just information, we're just talking story here. We're just looking at what's out there. The unemployment rate, November 1st is crucial. In March, unemployment rate was short-term low. Bitcoin found a top. Since then, unemployment rose about 0.1%. Bitcoin kept getting rejected by lower highs. which is good. Unemployment rate with the BTC price monthly percentage, we can see that the S&P is going up. The inflation unemployment rate has gone up as of right now. Gold prices, when gold broke out in March, this was a mid-cycle top for Bitcoin as far as we're concerned, and similar to the 2019 cycle where Bitcoin rose 350%. So a lot of people are anticipating some really, really big gains. We'll see if that happens. They talk about jobless claims and the ETH, ETH monthly return tables and other stuff. If you want to check this out, BTC dominance and other good information here. If you want to check this out at the Cryptoverse, you can get subscribed to that if you want to check it out. All right, now Benzinga has some interesting updates as well. I wanted to share with you some of their highlights for their news by Benzinga Neuro is the Bitcoin landfill lawsuit. We talked about that. There's a laptop in there that has just, I don't know, like $500 million worth of Bitcoin, an enormous amount of Bitcoin. Guys actually suing the landfill to get access to try to find that laptop. Some of these other things are going on as Coinbase CEO. They love Musk for some reason. Anthony Scaramucci's BTC investment and more. If you want to check that out, you can go to Benghazi.com and check it out. But some of the things that we noticed here, they have the laptop had 8,000 Bitcoins in it. So I guess that's 646 million. So yeah, about $500 million, like I said. Some other interesting news here. Scaramucci's Bitcoin investment. He's the CEO of Skybridge Capital, and he revealed during a podcast that he's going to have some significant investments in Bitcoin. And he's been talking with Michael Saylor of MicroStrategy, who has a unique perspective, recommending a 1 to 2% allocation of Bitcoin. So this is going to be a lot of money going into that company. Also, I wanted to share with you, after multiple milestones on growing journey, including NASDAQ listing, innovative brokerage group eyes further global expansion through deep beverage portfolio. That's not what I wanted to share with you. I might be looking at the wrong page. Okay, I was going to share something else with you. It's not here. I think it's here. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dodge trade like no bear market on the horizon. This is the Benghazi article as well. This is what I wanted to share with you here. So this Kathleen Dalila, I don't know how to pronounce that. She's the credit of the article here, and she is saying here that she notes the gains of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu. These are being traded like it's a bull market. The info, the block data shows large transaction volume increased by 43.5%, and the daily active addresses is growing by 10.4%. These are good indicators that we're heading into a real bull market. When you see the volume increasing by that much and the addresses increasing, that's a really good sign for our bull market that we're all waiting for. CoinGlass says transactions are greater than $100,000 are up from 9,217 to 9,654 in a single day. Exchange net flows are up by 43.8%. CoinGlass data reports that 53,788 traders were liquidated in the past 24 hours for 147.29 million. That's what's probably caused our jump yesterday. Crypto trader Jake Galgane pointed to Bitcoin reaching the highest market dominance of 58.8% since 2021. The analysis These analysts predict that Bitcoin could reach a 60% dominance before altcoin season begins. So I'd like to see the market cap going up. There are some other trader notes here that I want to point out to you, though, about the price going up over $70,000. So voicing a similar opinion that Bitcoin is going to hit some new highs. Bitcoin's next target at 109,000, which could potentially be reached as early December. According to the trader, everything is aligned for an all-time high in 2025 with no recession or bear market in sight. So without a black swan event or a serious downturn in the market, this 109,000 is what these analysts are predicting. Trader Michael Von D. Pope stated that Crypto King is targeting a new all-time high as the trend has changed. He anticipates this happening in the next 3 to 4 weeks, with Bitcoin potentially reaching 90,000 by year's end. Santamenti's poll on Bitcoin, when it will hit 73,000, shows that 41.6% of respondents think it will be at the end of October, 36.5% by the end of 2024, and 9.4% say it will never happen. But the charts are telling us that it's going to happen between now and next year. Will it happen in October? We're hoping. October's a great month. I think we have a very great possibility of hitting 70,000. Crypto trader Bitquant sees an upcoming range where Bitcoin might consolidate between $75,000 and $90,000. 63 remains to be a solid buying price for BTC, but the trader recommended not buying above 70,000. Also, right now, the miners, it's costing them more to make Bitcoin than what it costs right now, which is another good indicator that Bitcoin is going to go up in price. So I thought this was a really good article on Benzinga by this Kathara Dalal. I don't know how you say that, but all right, we're going to get through this quickly. Turbo price rally coming after Coinbase propels futures listing announcement. This is by Alvin Jimenez by rewrite.com. I don't read these articles too often, so this is kind of the first time I've looked at this, so you might want to do some extra investigation on this. But Coinbase International Exchange prepares to list these Turbo perpetual futures. The ticker is TURBO rather, and they got a video here if you want to see it. So there could be a Coinbase listing according to this. So if you already own this, it could be going up, because when things list on Coinbase, they usually have a pretty good spike. There's also an article here on Coinbase, and that it should be on the watch because of things that are going on within Pepe. So if you're a Pepe person, definitely look into what's going on here. And it looks like they are actually looking at doing some staking. So if you want to get the Pepe Unchained, find out what the Pepe Unchained Council is doing, you might want to check this article out at rewrite.com. Look that up. Okay, one last thing we'll go into. Before we do, I want to thank you guys for liking, subscribing. Hit that subscribe button right now. I really appreciate it. That's the way you give me like a little tip for, just taking the time to give you a quick little news update that you can look at, a little price update, a little prediction update. And if you are interested in being safe and secure, you can email me at mountaincrypto@gmail.com, and I will send that out to you, no strings attached, okay? It's got all kinds of great ways to keep safe on the internet, your computer, and your crypto so that you don't lose it. These are the 5 wallets. I have not used any of these. The only ones I've ever used is paper wallets. I have used the Coinbase wallet that I think is listed in here, and of course Ledger and a few others. But I am kind of interested in one of these, and I'll let you know which one. Plus Wallet here. This here has high-level encryption such as Face ID and PIN. They do have swap to earn features if that's something you're interested in. You got to be careful though, because sometimes these things go down the toilet. Um, then you've got the Electrum wallet. This has been around for a little while, since 2011. Seems to be reliable, tailored specifically for Bitcoin. Private key encryption and other options for offline storage. SPV, which is simple payment verification. So if that's something you need, that might be interesting. And then Exodus wallet. This is another one that's been around for a little bit. Exodus has a stylish design interface that makes it a good choice for newcomers, they say. And you can actually access different cryptocurrencies by bypassing external exchanges. It's providing a mix of hot and cold storage options, might be good for a trader. Coinbase wallet, robust, secure, smoothly usable, according to this article here at the bitcoinist.com. If you want to look this up, the bitcoinist.com, the 5 best crypto wallets. So Coinbase wallet's pretty easy. It ties into your Coinbase account. I would say this would give you some extra security over the exchange if you don't like having all your crypto on the exchange, but it doesn't offer fortified security like cold storage solutions, but it is a top pick for those who need convenience and versatility. The Trust Wallet, this one's been around for mobile interfaces. Trust Wallet supports an impressive portfolio of over 160,000 assets across multiple blockchains. But there's a cost for using these things too. So look into all the facts of these before you pick one specifically. I have used a few of these. I'm not real big on a lot of these, especially the ones that are on your phone, because those could be hacked. So yeah, just use the authenticator and use as much security as you can. It's a pain to set up, but once you set it up, you can keep a little book, put it in your safe or something, so you have your pathway to your cryptocurrency and just be safe. And that's it. I am out of here. Have a great day. It's been beautiful here in North Idaho. We had a nice warm day yesterday, and really enjoyed the day with my family. So sorry I didn't get anything out on Saturday, but I am trying really hard to at least get Monday through Friday and get some Saturday stuff out there for you. Sunday is a day of rest, so I typically won't do anything on Sunday unless something really explosive happens. So that is it. Have a great day.